very honestly is like a dream project because of course सब कह रहे हैं कि हर्षवर्धन जी का लॉन्च है और सैमी का लॉन्च है, but definitely it's also my launch. This is my first Bollywood project and I'm super excited about it. And to have a launch pad like this with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra banner and Rakesh sir himself, it's a dream come true. And very frankly, actually, not even a dream. I can't even dream of this, and it just happened to me. So I would say that it's an opportunity which every artist would probably be hoping for somewhere. So I can't complain anything about it.
So जैसे कि ये बॉलीवुड में आपका एक तरीके से डेब्यूट हुआ है, ये पहला पहला आपका ये जो आप ये सो सो सोचा था कभी कि पहला चांस मिलेगा वो भी इतना बड़ा मिलेगा बॉलीवुड में?
No, that's exactly what I'm saying. I didn't have to go through an audition process. I didn't have to go through, you know, requests. I've never done this homework of doing PR in the Bollywood market. It so happened that Rakesh ji called up. I just got this call back in Bangalore. मैं Bangalore से हूँ. So I just got a call one day and it was a call saying we're calling from Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra office and Rakesh sir wants to talk to you. So we'll call you back in 5 minutes. And in my head I was like, this must be a prank call. And in 5 minutes exactly, sir calls up and says, I have a project. If you're interested, I want you to work with me on this. Would you be? तो question पूछा, you know, it's not even, it was, who would ever have second thoughts about working with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra? So I said, yes sir, of course, and I came down and we had a reading and I understood the responsibility and the magnanimity of the project. Even though it's a simple, beautiful, poetic, lyrical love story which Gulzar Saab has written, I think the way it is retold by Rakesh sir is brilliant. And in that, the role of choreography is very, very prominent. If you've seen the film, we are not just background dancers. Sir has used us literally as storytellers. We are the free spirit of love. The dancers have a character and a personality in themselves. So सूत्रधार जो कहते हैं ना, तो it's almost like that. And the choreography also is not the regular Bollywood film choreography. So we were asked to avoid any latka, thumka, and all these regular stuff, and we don't even do that. So I had a contemporary dance company back home, and we are interested in creating what is contemporary dancing in context of Indian dance forms. तो हमारा research, हमारा understanding and exploration is more towards that. So उसमें से we have picked up movements and the process has been very interesting, and whatever has come out has been a very organic process. तो सर ने brief दिया, हमने जो भी सोचा किया, from that the material has been taken out and you can see the result. So I hope people like it. It's
how was the experience? कैसा experience रहा आपका राकेश ओम प्रकाश जी के साथ में काम करने का पूरी कास्ट के साथ?
very, very normal. There were no celebrity tantrums, no star tantrums, which is what we expected from Bollywood. But it was a very normal, disciplined team. And what I notice is Rakesh sir's team is very youthful, very energetic, and they're always buzzing with ideas. So pura team, all their ADs to every member of cast and crew is there to contribute and add value to the vision. And there is more to the artistic vision than the artist himself, which is very rare. Because I think जब star बन जाते हैं तो it's not even something which is good or bad, but the star takes over a film. So it is fantastic that he's got collaborators of different kinds with different capacities and experience, and they've all added their personal journeys into the work, you know. and they've all beautifully contributed to the vision. So we are all very different. Even the cinematographer to calling a Bangalore dance choreographer to a dance team, and even Raju Sundaram sir, who brought in the vision of the whole choreography. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा ऐसा look चाहिए before I choreograph. So you know, it was a very organic way of working, and sir gives a lot of space for creativity. तो राकेश जी नहीं कहते कि ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसा ही करना चाहिए. So he'll just give you an idea and say, why don't you improvise and you know do whatever you want on that. So that is a fantastic space for every creative mind to be in. So
और कितना कितना चैलेंजिंग मानती है आप इस जर्नी
कितना
चैलेंजिंग मानती है आप इस जर्नी
my journey in the Bollywood scene has just begun, and I'm not looking at every other Bollywood project. तो quantity important नहीं है, तो quality and different work, interesting work बहुत important है मेरे लिए. And it becomes challenging when it is unusual, when it is unique, and when the thought process is very interesting, you know. So that that seed, that initiation starts from the director. So anybody with an interesting personality and interesting thinking pattern is able to make that infectious to every collaborator in the team. So I would say that, so that we do justice to that idea, वो challenging है बहुत for every creator, every choreographer. So I would say with Rakesh sir, it was definitely challenging in a sense that वो कहते गए कि it should not have form. तो मैं जब choreography कर रही हूँ, and we are all from stage, we are all, our bodies are trained with classical dance forms, with martial art forms, with contemporary dance forms. So my dancers have been trained to do this for years. So when you come to us and tell us that abhi form mat karo, so it is like tying your hands and saying, tying your eyes, your hands, and your legs, and throwing you in a space and saying abhi dance, you know. So there was a restriction in terms of that, but that every challenge, every limitation pushes a creative mind. So that itself was a motivation as well.
एज यू सी नोवेल के यू आर नॉट बॉलीवुड डांसर यू आर इंडियन कंटेम्प्रेरी डांसर सो कितना मुश्किल था और मतलब बॉलीवुड में डालना खुद को बॉलीवुड डांसर की तरह डांस करना कितना मुश्किल वो कितना मुश्किल
Well, it was not very difficult because I think if you see the film, it is not treated in a regular Bollywood way. If we were to do Bollywood, it would have been difficult because that's not our training, and I don't think like that as a choreographer. So I am not doing Bollywood dance in a Bollywood film. I'm being me myself in the film, and I am projecting the idea which sir has given. So I would say that it was pretty good. It was smooth.
क्या क्या डिटेलिंग करनी पड़ी इसके लिए डिटेलिंग क्या क्या करनी पड़ी आपको जैसे कि आप बॉलीवुड फिल्म में कर रहे हो एक अलग ही छोड़ रहे हैं अलग ही सारा सब कुछ अलग है सो क्या क्या डिटेलिंग करना पड़ा आपको इसके लिए
See, detailing in terms of the movement was a lot of contact improvisation art. We did put in a lot of abhinaya, Indian dance ka abhinaya, which could even be expressions, but the way Indian dance में emotion करते हैं, तो we had to start from that point and make it very natural, you know. तो dance बहुत stylized है, तो उसको natural करना था. We had to make it very colloquial in a way, and we had to improvise according to the space. So वो detailing थोड़ा study करना था. अगर हम fantasy land में जाकर एक you know, if we imagine one character lived like this and he's doing this in a story, that imagination brings in a lot of detail, even in the costume, in the look, in the movement, in the method of walking, to the presentation, to the way of dancing, to the rhythm of dancing. All this again is put into music. So detailing is there in every craft, but the main detailing comes from the storyline. Second comes from the movement.
जैसे कि आपने राकेश जी के साथ में काम कर लिया है और भी काफ़ी एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ भी काम कर लिया है, अभी किसके साथ में और आप काम करना चाहते हैं, किस डायरेक्टर के साथ में, किस एक्टर के साथ में जिसको आप कोरियोग्राफ करना चाहते हैं बॉलीवुड में?
More than actors, of course, every actor is interesting, but I would say directors are people with fantastic mind, and that is very motivating for any art. So dream would be Mani Ratnam sir, Sanjay Leela Bansali, Anurag Kashyap, and yeah, Raju Hiran sir. So
और एक्टर्स में
actors में I think anybody and everybody. So I don't have my choice in actors. It's more of the directors. Yeah.
अगर इसके बाद में कुछ और अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में अगर आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहें, कुछ और बताना चाहें?
Sure. The next project that I'm choreographing is mega musical. It's going to premiere in the NCPA. It's produced by the NCPA. It's the Mughal-e-Azam, which is a grand musical taking reincarnation on stage. Mughal-e-Azam, as you know, is a classic film icon, and Jab Pyar Kiya To every other piece is getting reenacted on stage now, and not just reenacted, it's recreated for stage, and it is a fresh piece, it is a novel piece, and I would really say it is something every audience, everybody who likes stage, everybody who likes live performances should come watch and take back memories. So the speciality of this is that there is pure Kathak used in a very interesting way. So they should come and watch that.
ओके, फिल्म्स की अगर बात करिए तो फिल्म्स में और कुछ अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में कुछ ऐसी कोई बातचीत चली है कुछ उसके बारे में बताइए?
See, films for me, I would choose films which has scope to creative dancing and contemporary approaches to dancing. Films, I do watch a lot of films, of course. I'm a huge fan of films from not just Bollywood, even international to even regional. Even Karnataka, where I come from, I'm very proud of the Kannada films that we do. Down south, the Tamil films to technical expertise is very, very beautiful. So I do watch a lot of films, and even from the screen, from dance getting created for a camera to dance getting created on stage is very different. So there is a lot of learning that happens from one to another. There is a lot of interaction, lot of feeding that one does from one to another. So that is the reason I do watch, and inspiration can come from anywhere, and which is the best way to inspire yourself other than listening, watching beautiful stories. So yeah.
क्या क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आ रहे हैं अभी? क्या किस क्या
सी मिर्जिया के बारे में तो बहुत डिफरेंट है, बहुत हटके है, एंड द ब्यूटी इज एवरी डांसर इज कॉट. देर आर क्लोजअप्स ऑफ द डांसर्स एंड द डांसर्स आर देयर थ्रू आउट द स्टोरी. सो मिर्जिया के बारे में दैट इट इज़ वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग, ये कह रहे हैं. तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड हुआ है, तो बहुत ही रेगुलर डांसिंग नहीं है, ये बहुत सुन रही हूँ मैं अभी.
बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसे मिलती है? सबसे अलग कॉम्प्लीमेंट और बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसने दिया?
I think best compliment came from Rakesh sir, when at the end of the day, Rajasthan में बारिश हो रही थी, and we had packed up the shoot and we were leaving. We were to drive through the whole night and go to the airport, and मेरा जर्मनी में प्रोग्राम था, तो मेरा टीम सब पैकअप होके जर्मनी के लिए निकल रहे थे. तो that's when he said, this is the best decision I made to get you and your team, and you guys were fantastic, and I couldn't have asked for more. He said, this is the best choice I made, was the best compliment I got. And जब फिल्म निकला, he messaged me that I told him, I thanked him for the opportunity, and he said I should be doing that to you. So I couldn't have asked for a better compliment than that.
अगर मेमोरीज की बात की जाए तो कैसी मेमोरीज रही मिर्ज़ा की?
See, Mirzia was a very young, youthful family की तरह थे. There was no pressure, even though there were pressures within each team. You know, like the rains created havoc and the set was washed off sometimes, and nobody expected that in Rajasthan. And in the set, the dancers are there. You know, like the Dhola song for that matter. So they had to get location में जब हमने देखा and the dance was happening, we decided on the spot that there's something else that one needs to add. तो राकेश सर ने कहा, how about adding water? And we tried that and it looked wonderful. So we went ahead with that. But constantly 3 nights we shot that song, 4 nights actually. And the dancers had to be wet. So they would go out, pour buckets of cold water in the night, come and start dancing. तो हमारे लिए to keep the body warm and do acrobatic work, like वो चकोरा song में बहुत ही acrobatic work है, contact work है. तो they're lifting each other, they're pulling this, pushing each other against a wall. So doing all that with that wetness, that the body, it was very challenging. And plus they were doing it on sand. तो वो challenging था. So each one, you know, had their own bit of challenges in the dancing. Kuch costumes would come off, so the costume department had to keep creating new material. तो ऐसे बहुत छोटे मोटे challenges which we had to deal with. But overall the experience, there was no pressure. कभी अभी क्या होगा, ऐसा moment नहीं था. And Rakesh sir to Bharti ma'am, उनका team, सब, they're all very calm. So that is beautiful energy, you know.
हर्ष और सयाम कैसे होते थे सेट पे?
See, I got less chance to be with them. They were there just 2 days when we were shooting, because अगर आप film देखें तो we are not, like I said, we are not supporting dancers to them. We are characters which are overlapping with them, you know. तो उनका scene चल रहा है, simultaneously हमारा scene भी चल रहा है, and we are taking the story ahead, you know. तो इसीलिए our interaction with them was 1 or 2 days only. But when they were there, they were very chilled out, and they were busy rehearsing their lines. They were looking at the dancers, observing their physical energy, and they were always constantly asking questions. So I think these are all signs that they are very eager to grow, and I wish both of them super luck, because they both look fantastic on the screen.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Please go watch Mirzia, and please let us know how you like it. And Mirzia के बाद please come and watch Mughal-e Azam, the stage musical that I'm working on. Thank you.